Hello and welcome to the Connect Hotel demo. In this video, we'll show you around the platform and explain how you can manage your hotel's daily operation using Connect Hotel. Let's get started. After logging in, you'll first see the dashboard. Here, you can get a quick overview of your hotel. You can check the total bookings, service requests, room details, and other important information all from one screen. You can also view this data week-wise, month-wise, or year-wise to understand how your hotel is performing. On the left side, you'll find the menu, which gives you access to all the features available in this platform. Let's start with the roles and permission section. If you want to create a new role, simply click on Add Role, enter the details, and then save it. You can then assign this role to your employees based on their responsibilities. Next is Employee Management. Here you can see the complete list of your employees. To add a new employee, click on Add Employee, enter the employee's details like name, phone number, email address, and other required information, and then save it. The employee will be added to the system. Now let's look at Booking Management. Here you can see all your bookings in one place. You can check guest details, payment status, check-in and check-out status, room details, and other booking information. To create a new booking, click on Add Booking. Enter the guest details, select the check-in and check-out dates, choose the room type, add the number of guests, upload the required documents, and then save the booking. It's a simple process. It helps you keep all your bookings organized. Next is Room Management. From here, you can manage your room and guest stays. You can check room details, manage guest information, and complete the guest check-in process. You'll also find a few other useful sections like complaint management, coupons, refunds, hotel profiles, and reports. If a guest raises a complaint, you can manage it from the complaint section. If you have coupons or refund requests, you can view and manage them here as well. The hotel profile section lets you update your hotel's information, photos, and other details. You can also check reports and analytics to get a better understanding of your hotel's performance. Now let's move to Service Management. Here you can manage all the services offered by your hotel such as housekeeping, in-room dining, swimming pool, and more. For example, if a guest places an in-room dining order, you can see the request here. You can check its status and update it as the order is being prepared or completed. Guests can also chat with your team directly through the platform. If they need any help or want to request a service, they can send a message and your staff can reply from here. Room cleaning requests are also managed in this section. You can assign the task to an employee, check its progress, and update the status once the work is completed. And that's a quick tour of the Connect Hotel platform. From bookings and rooms to employees, guest services, complaints, and reports, everything can be managed from one place. We hope this demo gave you a clear idea of how the platform works and how it can make your daily hotel operations easier. Thank you for watching.